Bonjour, ça va? Oh, wrong type of translation. Today we're translating shapes. Is this a translation? Well, no. For a translation, the shape needs to have three things the same. It needs to be the same shape, it needs to be the same size, and it needs to be the same way up. What about this one? Yeah, it's a translation, it's moved to the right. What about this one? Yep, still a translation, it's moved down and to the left. Let's have a look at these questions. In this question we're asked to translate shape A 4 to the left and 2 up. Pick a point on the shape. I always pick the top left point. Jump 4 squares to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 squares up. 1, 2. This is where our new point will be. Now we draw in the shape from this point. Make sure that the point is still on the top left of the shape. Here we're asked to translate shape A by vector 5 minus 2. The way vectors work is the number at the top is how far right you go, and the number at the bottom is how far up you go. Here we're given 5 on the top, so we're going 5 to the right, and minus 2 at the bottom, so we're going minus 2 up. Minus 2 up is the same as 2 down. So we're going to pick our point, we're going to jump 5 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 down, 1, 2. Plot our point, and then draw in the shape from that point. Here we're asked to describe the single transformation from shape A onto shape B. This has clearly been translated because the shape is the same size, the same shape, and the same way up. To describe a translation, label the top left point on both shape A and shape B. Now count the amount of jumps we need to do to get from shape A to shape B. So looking at this, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps to the left and no jumps up. Finally, we need to make sure that this is a vector. So we know that vectors have a number at the top which is how far right to go and a number at the bottom showing how far up to go. We've gone minus 6 to the right, or 6 to the left, and 0 squares up. The very final thing we need to do is write this out as a sentence. The single transformation is a translation by vector minus 6, 0. And let's finish with this. Juno describes a translation as 3 over minus 2. Find the problem with the vector Juno has used. If you know, let me know in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description to access all of our free GCSE papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.